So dy by dx is equal to limit h tends to 0 tan of x plus h minus tan x divided by h. So here tan formula is there, but instead of using the limitation, I will go for splitting the thing. Limit h tends to 0 sine of x plus h by cos of x plus h minus sin x by cos x divided by h. Take LCM. Limit h tends to 0 sin x plus h cos x minus sin x cos x plus h divided by h into cos x plus h into cos x into cos x. Now the numerator is a formula for what formula? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. What's the formula? Sin x plus h minus x. You have to note down. Sin A minus B formula is that. Sin A cos B. Here I write sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is what? Sin of A minus B. I am using this formula here. Trigonometry formulas. Okay, so by h into cos x plus h into cos x. Okay. Now I will get here this x get cancelled. So limit h tends to 0 sin h by h into 1 by cos of x plus h into cos x. Okay. So when I apply the limit, this becomes 1. So 1 by cos x into cos x is nothing but secant square x. So tan differentiation is what? Secant square. Okay. This I am not going to do because the same procedure only. Okay. So your dy by dx is minus 2 secant square. Remember C, the letter C. What are letters C? Cos x, cot x, then cosecant x. This will be ending with minus. So for cos x, differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin. Differentiation of cot x minus cosecant square. Okay. Next, I am going to do secant x. Secant x will be 1 by cos secant x plus h minus secant x. Okay. So 1 by cos x plus h minus 1 by cos x by h. So limit h tends to 0 cos x minus cos of x plus h divided by h into cos x cos of x plus h. So you know the formula for cos c. Cos c minus cos d is what? Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. This is the formula. This is the formula. So I have now, this will be limit h tends to 0 minus 2 sine x plus h by 2, okay, into sine x minus h by 2 by 2 h cos x cos of x plus h. Just like the previous sum, x get cancelled. Okay. So I have limit h tends to 0 minus 2 sine of x plus h by 2, here minus minus h by 2 divided by h cos x cos of x plus h. What is sine of minus theta? Sine of minus theta? Minus sine. So this becomes what? Minus plus. So it becomes plus. So this is limit h tends to 0 plus 2 sine h by 2 I am writing divided by h into 1 by cos x cos of x plus h. Okay. So multiply and divide by 2. Okay, so this get cancelled. Sine I will write sine of x plus h by 2. Okay. So this becomes now 1. This is 1 into sin x by cos x into cos x. Okay. When you apply the limit, h becomes 0. H is 0. So I will get the answer tan x into secant x. Tan x into secant x. So what will be cosecant x will be? What is your dy by dx? If it is secant x, you get tan x secant x. If it is cosecant x means cot x minus cot x into cosecant x. Minus cot x into cosecant x. So first I will finish the content, then I will do the problems for this one. The heading is algebra of derivatives. 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 So see the question. If it is straight away they are asking to differentiate, go by this differentiation. If they ask you first principle this, then you have to use this one. Okay. Number 1. d by dx of f of x plus or minus g of x will be, I can separate the thing, d by dx of f of x plus or minus d by dx of g of x. Separately again differentiate. Number 2. Constant multiple rule. Constant multiple, this already we have done, but again I am giving the rule. Constant multiple rule is d by dx of k f of x. When I have k, take k outside, d by dx of f of x. D by dx of f of x. Third one, product rule. Product rule. y equal to f of x into g of x. Both are different functions. Okay. So you should know which are functions. Don't blindly do what functions have product two functions. Let it take us u, v. Okay. Easy for to remember us for you. You write u here and write v here. Okay. So your u dash is and v dash is just cross multiply for product two. Just cross multiply and write your dy by dx is u into v dash plus v into u dash. Just you get this answer when you do by first principle. Everything when you do by first principle, you get that derivation. We are not doing now. It's no use for you. Okay, just a very less number of questions you are going to get. So this proof or not necessary. U into v dash plus v into this cross multiply. Okay. Fourth one. Quotient rule. Fourth is quotient rule. Fourth is quotient rule. Quotient rule. Okay. So you are having y equal to f of x by g of x. So if you have u by v. Okay. If you have u by v, take u the same way. Take v, u dash is equal to v dash. Start from here. To remember only dy by dx is v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. V into, always you should have some techniques to remember. V into u dash or write like this. This year write like this, next year again don't use this way. Okay. V into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. Okay. This is doing directly. Okay. I am not using first principle. We are going to do directly. Okay. The fifth one. Chain rule. Chain rule. This is derivative of function of function. You might have not learned. We have learned actually. But now we're giving a new name as what? Function of function. Okay. For example, like this. Example, y equal to sine 2x. What two types of function you observe here? Can you tell me? Sine is one function. No, Hindi students how many are there? Today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 have come now. Boys, so not 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 11, then 4, 15 are there, no? Boys, 6. We are not at least 22, no? 23. 23 boys, 5 is written there. Any boy is there in Hindi? Hindi only is there, no? One absent. Okay. Now, what function is involved here? What are two functions? One is trigonometry. Next, 2x is what function? Algebraic expression or linear function. Linear function. So, we are having two types of function. Okay. So, you have to differentiate this one. So, I'll tell you the thing. So, y equal to f of g of x. So, dy by dx is, first you differentiate f dash. Differentiate f dash, differentiate sine cos with g of x. should not separate the angle, into d by dx of g of x. Into d by g of x. Okay. Differentiate sign cos 2x. Differentiate 2x. 2. So 2 cos 2x. Okay. So I will give the sum. Textbook sum only, but I will combine the whole exercise as one. Exercise 13.3, actually is not 2. Heading is find the derivatives of. Find the derivatives of. Okay. Number 1. See, the textbook they didn't give y equal to. So you also don't write simply. You have to write y equal to what. Then you go for the differentiation. Okay. Number 1, y equal to. No need to see your book. I will give my own sum. Textbook only selected sum. Y equal to 2x minus 3 by 4. So what is your dy by dx? 2x differentiation? 2. 3 by 4 differentiation? 0. So 2. Number 2. Y equal to x power 5 into 3 minus 6 x power minus 9. So what you have to apply here? Two ways there. UV also you can apply or take that x inside. Now I am going to teach UV only. So u equal to x power 5. This is one function. Okay. V is 3 minus 6 x power minus 9. So your u dash is 5 x power 4. Then v dash is 0 minus 6 into this 9 will come down, no? Minus 9 x power minus 9 minus 1. So answer will be 54 x power minus 10. 54. So cross multiply. So your dy by dx is 54 x power minus 10 150 into x power 5 plus 5 x power 4, this is 1, into 3 minus 6 x power minus 9. So if you simplify, what do you get? What do you find the answer? Simplify. Exponential log 54 x power minus 5 plus 15 x power 4 minus 30 x power minus 5, no? Am I correct? Okay, so final 54 minus 30. No? How much? 54 minus 30. 24. So 24 x power minus 5 plus 15 x power 4. This is the answer. Tell me how you do. Your u is 2. U is 2, then v is x plus 1. U is u is 2, your v is x plus 1. So u dash is 0, v dash is 1. So from here you have to start. dy by dx is 0 minus 2 by x plus 1 the whole square. So I get minus 2 by x plus 1 the whole square. That's all. Miscellaneous exercise. Question number 12. Y equal to ax plus b the whole power n. Chain rule. I am going to apply chain rule. So power is there. So what is your dy by dx? Dy by dx is, first you bring n into ax plus b the whole power n into d by n minus 1. D by x is ax plus b. So what is the differentiation of ax plus b? A. So n into ax plus b the whole power n minus 1. This is chain rule. Okay, chain rule. Okay, what rule will apply? First product rule, and that product rule you have to apply what? Chain. Power is there, no? So first we'll take us. First one is u, ax plus b, the whole power n, and b as cx plus d, the whole power n. The same thing only, no? What you have done for this, the same thing, but letter is changed. So this is u dash is n into a, ax plus b, the whole power n minus 1, b dash is m into cx plus d, the whole power n minus 1 into what? Into? First I brought the power down. C. Cx plus d differentiation is C. Cross multiply. All are letters only. So just cross multiply and keep that. So your dy by dx is mc ax plus d the whole power n into cx plus d the whole power m minus 1 plus na ax plus b the whole power n minus 1 into cx plus d the whole power. Just keep it there. What is the answer? Sin x the whole power n. Sin x. First you bring n down. N into sin x the whole power n minus 1 into cos x. Into cos x. Okay, sum this. Y equal to x by sin power nx. Okay, y equal to so your u is x, b is sin nx. Since we have done, I am going to u dash is 1, b dash is n into sin x the whole power n minus 1 cos x. Since the product quotient rule, you have to start from here. Okay. So dy by dx is sine power nx minus n into x into sine power n minus 1 cos x divided by sin x power n the whole square. So you want the book answer, you have to simplify. Otherwise, since you differentiated, we leave like that. There will be one or two sums, okay, in terms of trigonometry. Okay. Can take now, this is question number 5, I think, no? Okay, do this one. Sin x, cos x, question number 6, y equal to 5 secant x plus 4 cos x, question number 7, y equal to 3 cot x plus 5 cosecant x minus only these 3 sums can do now. Can come here. Isha. Check here then. You note down. See the total first. Hold it. Now you can switch off.